Hello, Denver. At Adam Chimney, we're all about keeping your home safe, warm, and efficient with our top-rated chimney repair services. As your trusted, local experts, we specialize in restoring chimneys from cap to flue, handling everything from damaged brickwork and cracked liners to stuck dampers and leaky crowns. Living in Denver means your chimney endures constant weather changes, which can lead to joint issues like rusting, cracks, and even creosote buildup. Our team is trained to assess and repair these problems quickly and thoroughly, using high-quality materials like AL29-4C stainless steel for liners and custom-fit caps designed to last. We work all over Denver, from historic neighborhoods like Capitol Hill to new homes in Stapleton, ensuring every chimney we service is ready to keep you warm, safe, and comfortable all winter. Why wait? A minor repair today can prevent costly issues tomorrow, like water damage, fire hazards, or even carbon monoxide risks. Call Adam Chimney at 720-2079-232 or visit us at 1289 4 East Villanova Drive, Aurora, for reliable, affordable chimney repair in Denver. Keep your chimney in top shape with Denver's finest.
We're the team that gets you back warm again.